Here's vocabulary number 12 about your conversation starter. It's a tiny little short dialogue, two people signing to each other. And here are some other signs you're going to need to know for when you watch it. You, me, somebody else, or that person. This is called deixis, indexing or pointing. In place of pronouns, ASL uses pointing, called deixis or indexing, fancy pointing. So I point to myself for me, or I. I point to you. If I have my eyebrows raised, that's me asking a question. Do you? Are you? If I point at myself and nod, that means, yes, I do. What do you think it means if I do this? No, I don't. Not me. This is anything off to the side, anything I want it to be. A person, boy, a girl, a thing, he, she, it. I can also point to the other side, something over there. And this is a sign, hold on a minute, wait a minute, wait 1 minute. Quick note, in ASL, don't sign do when asking a question like do you. Instead, you just sign you with your eyebrows up, like a question. You study you. I repeat the pronoun at the end, and that's one way to ask a question. Conversation starter worksheet. So your conversation starter is a short little clip of a couple people talking. You can watch them sign to each other in ASL, and then you'll answer the questions about the conversation and choose the best answer. Remember, you can slow down the video if you need to see it again slower. Remember to click on the little gear over there and make it slower if you need to.